If you have this error message on the Canon printer, here is the solution. First of all, you have to buy new ink, exactly of this type. Afterwards, you have to open here, and you have to pull down here. At this point, you have to extract the old ink and replace it with the new one. Then you close the door. And you have to restart. You can also remove the cable of the power supply and put it back. And now it should work. It will take a while to start, and you will hear some noise, but in the end, it will start. Solved.